Next question is question number 11. Arrange the following rational numbers in ascending order. Question number 11, B, minus 9, minus 5 by minus 9 by 10, minus 5 by 20, 7 by 12, and 2 by 5. So we have to arrange these rational numbers in ascending order. What do you mean by ascending order? Ascending order means we have to arrange first the smallest, okay? And then we go from smallest to biggest. So here are the rational numbers. Minus 9 by 10, minus 5 by 20, 7 by 12, and 2 by 5. So by looking at these rational numbers, we don't know which is greater, which is the smaller, isn't it? So what do we do first? We convert them, we convert the denominator into the same, So to do that, we find the LCM of the denominator, okay, of the denominator, LCM of the denominator. So here are the denominators. In the first rational number, the denominator is 10, so 10. In the second rational number, denominator is 20, so 20. The third rational number, the denominator is 12, so 12. In the fourth rational number, the denominator is 5. We find the LCM of these four rational numbers. So what we do, let us go with 2 first. 2 into 5 equal 20. 2 into 10 equal 20. 2 into 6 equal 12. 2 into how much equal 5? No, there is no number, so we just write 5. Next, let us do again by 2. 2 into how much equal 5? No, there is no number, so we just write 5. 2 into how much equal 10? 2 into 5. 2 into how much equal 6? 2 into 3 equals 6. 2 into how much equal 5? No, there is no number, so we just write 5. Next, let us go by 3. 3 into how much equal 5? No, there is no number. We just write 5. 3 again. Into how much equal 5? No, there is no number. 3 into how much equal 3? 3 into 1 equal 3. 3 into how much equal 5? No, there is no number. So we just write 5. So next, we go with 5. 5 multiply 1 equal 5. 5 multiply 1 equal 5. 5 multiply into how much equal 1? We just write 1. 5 into how much equal 5? 5 into 1 equal 5. So LCM equal how much? Equal 2 multiply 2 multiply 3 multiply 5. And this will be equal to 2 multiply 2 is 4. 4 multiply 3 is 12. 12 multiply 5 is 60. So now we have got the LCM to be 60. Then we convert these denominators into the denominator of 60. So let us do the first rational numbers. Minus 9 by 10. Minus 9 by 10. Minus 9 by 10. Multiply, multiply. So we have to multiply in order to get the denominator 60. So 10 multiply into how much equals 60? 10 multiply 6, isn't it? 10 multiply 6 equal 60. So since we multiply by 6 in the denominator, in the numerator also we have to multiply by the same number, 6. 9 multiply 6 equal 54. This is minus, this is plus, so minus into plus equal minus. So we have done for this rational number. Let us do for the second rational number. Minus 5 by 20. Minus 5 by 20 equal. Minus 5 by 20. Minus 5 by 20 multiply, multiply. So here, again we have to convert this 20 into 60. 20 into how much equals 60? 20 into 3. So since we multiply in the denominator by 3, in the numerator also by 3. 5 multiply 3 equal 15. This is minus, this is plus. So minus into plus equal minus. Next, rational number 3. Number 7 by 12. 7 by 12. Multiply, multiply. So again, we have to convert this 12 into 60. 12 into 60. So 12 into how much equals 60? 12 into 5. And to the numerator also 5. 7 multiply 5 equal 35. Next, 2 by 5. So 2 by 5 equal 2 by 5 multiply. So again, we have to convert this 5 into a denominator of 60. So 5 into how much equals 60? 5 into 12. So again, we multiply to the numerator also by 12. 2 into 12 equal 24. So now we have convert minus 9 by 10 into minus 54 by 60, minus 5 by 20 into minus 15 by 60, 7 by 12 into 35 by 60, and 2 by 5 into 24 by 60. So you see the denominators here are all the same, 60, 60, 60, 60. Now we compare their numerator. So this is minus 54. Minus 54. This is minus 15. Numerator is minus 15. This is 35. So 35. And this is 24. So 24. So we have to compare these numerator. Which of these is the smallest first? We have to write that number first. Okay. So here we have which of these is the smallest. Now remember, in any integers, the positive integer will always be the negative integer. Which of these will always be the greater? Which of these will always be the smallest? This will be the smallest, isn't it? This will be the smaller, and this will be the greater. Suppose we have minus 3 and 2. This is a negative integer. This is a positive integer. Which of these is smaller? Minus 3 is definitely smaller, isn't it? Minus 3 is definitely smaller. This will be the smaller. So here we have minus 54 and minus 15. These are the negative integer. And 35 and 24. These are the positive integer, isn't it? These are the positive integer. So definitely negative integer is the smallest. Okay, the negative integer will be the smallest. So which is smaller, minus 54 or minus 15? Definitely minus 54 is the smallest, isn't it? Because if we compare negative integer with negative integer, what should we do? Suppose we have here minus 2 and here minus 3. Here minus 3. Which is these are negative integer, isn't it? In negative integer, the one with the higher numerical value will always be the smallest. So 3 is greater than 2. So hence minus 3 will be the smallest. Will be smaller than 2. Because remember again, in negative integer, the one with the greater higher numerical value will be the smaller. So here 3 and 2. 3 is greater than 2. So minus 3 will be smaller than minus 2. So here also minus 54 and minus 15. 54 is greater than 15. So minus 54 is smaller than minus 15. So we write first, remember, we write first the smallest first. So minus 54. This is minus 54 by 60. So minus 54 by 60. Remember, in ascending order, we write the smallest first. So now we have done for minus 54. Now we have these three numbers. This is a negative integer. These are positive integer. Definitely, this will be the smaller of the of the 3. Minus 15 will be smaller than these two positive integers. So we write minus 15. This is minus 15 by 60. Next, 35 we have done for minus 15. 35 and 24, which is the smaller? Definitely 24 is the smaller. 24. So 24. 24 by 60. Now what is left? 35. So we just write 35. 35 by 60. So in here we have write these rational numbers in ascending order. This is the smallest, this is the smallest, this is the greatest or the biggest. So we write the less than sign. In ascending order, we use the less than sign. This tell us that this is smaller than this number. So now these are not the original rational numbers, isn't it? So we write their equivalent rational numbers. Minus 54 by 60 is equivalent to minus 9 by 10. So minus 9 by 10. Less than minus 15 by 60 is equivalent to minus 5 by 20. Minus 5 by 20. Next, 24 by 60 is equivalent to 2 by 5. 2 by 5. Next, 35 by 60. 35 by 60 is equivalent to 7 by 12. 7 by 12. So now we have got the ascending order of these given four rational numbers. This is the ascending order. Minus 9 by 10, minus 5 by 20. Next, 2 by 5 is smaller than 7 by 12. So hence this is the answer.